Is it time for new tires? Your safety depends on it. First, check the tread depth. If it's less than 4/30 of an inch, about 3 millimeters, you're at risk of hydroplaning. Use the penny test. If you can see all of Lincoln's head when you stick a penny in the tread, it's time to replace. Next, watch for uneven wear patterns, which can signal alignment or suspension problems. Also, check for cracks in the sidewalls, which indicates rubber degradation and a safety hazard. Vibrations at speeds over 50 miles per hour suggest warped or imbalanced tires. Finally, note increased road noise or reduced fuel efficiency, which can indicate worn tires. Addressing these issues promptly ensures safer driving conditions. Current tire trends include a growing movement towards sustainable tires made from recycled materials, reducing environmental impact. Additionally, tires designed specifically for electric vehicles handle heavier loads and faster wear from regenerative braking. Experts emphasize that replacing tires proactively prevents 90% of tire-related accidents. The AAA notes that ignoring signs like cracks or low tread significantly increases the risk of hydroplaning or blowouts during wet conditions. Consider tire age regardless of tread depth. Most experts recommend replacing tires every 6 years, even if they appear fine, because rubber degrades over time and loses flexibility. Stay safe and informed for optimal vehicle maintenance.